Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, in today's video I teach you about how you can create logo templates and how to sell the skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. You can also sell this as a digital product. You can make like hundreds of logo templates to a specific niche and sell this as a bundle or as a digital product. So first of all, I would like to click on etsy.com. Etsy.com is the online marketplace where you can sell physical products as well as digital products. So here I write logo template. So in this you have to create only one time a logo and it will sell throughout your life. So editable logo design template and $1.67 and 405, and this is a good beauty logo DIY logo design template, and that's it. So the software in which we use to create these templates is called Canva. So I'm going to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best graphic design software available online, and it is very easy and handy to use. You can easily use them, and if you want to know complete A to Z about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech, go to the playlist section. Here I upload a complete playlist which is called Canva designing course. After that you'll learn everything about Canva. So in the search engine I write here logo. So I click on logo. I click on create a blank logo. After that you have to choose a niche. So I click on like these are the good templates, but I would like to create beauty logo templates. So I click on this template, this template, this template, this template is good, this template. I randomly choose the templates because I want to create a video. I do not take it too long, but you have to carefully choose the logo and make a bundle of templates through it, and in this way you can create a bundle of logo, and when you share this link these template links to client, and client will easily edit them like this, and he can easily edit these colors and other things like this. So it's client choice. So you just have to provide a templates to clients. So click on share, and after that only you can access. Click on this, and anyone with the link can view, comment, can edit, because client want to edit it. So in this way you can create a bundle of logo templates and sell this on Etsy and other platforms like Etsy. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.